Hi, I'm Mark and I run Correspine Explorers, and we're right sort of in the centre of the Dyfi biosphere. We take people into an old slate quarry which has been abandoned for about 40 years now, and we feel it fits really nicely in the valley here with all the social history that we can tell people about the harsh working environment that people in this valley used to endure. I feel the most amazing thing about the caves is the fact that very little people have seen them. There's these huge chambers underground, and because they're underground, simply people don't know they're there. So that's why Correspine Explorers is great for discovering these places for people to see. We've got 7 levels, and if you added up all the mileage, we've got the best part of 17 miles of tunnel, which most can be explored on our trips.